Oh my god, this is crazy! $1! Are you a Hello! Hello guys, and welcome back to another video where you join me in Florida, USA, where we're here for 1 week for a wedding and we're going to check out Disney World. There is only one logical reason to be awake this early. We are on our way to the airport. We've made it to the business class check-in at DXB. Apparently my shoes were too cool, so I need to put them back on. There's even showers. We're in the sky and we're on our way to Orlando. 15 hours and 40 minutes. We've been on this plane now for 11 hours. We've got 5 hours left. This is my first time on American soil in my life. I've never been to America before. We're about to get the Disney theme train. We've made it to Hollywood Studios, which is our first park we're going to hit today. We're looking at some of the big major rides and some of the shows they've got here. They've got the Indiana Jones show that I really want to see, but everywhere is just magical. Everything is so well themed, and even getting the bus here was so easy. Hi! Thank you! Bye! Mickey pretzel! So this is my first ever ride at Disney, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, after about a 40-minute wait.
Now, let's
We're now seeing the Muppets in 3D.
On our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to EPCOT International Gateway.
So we just rode the Disney Skyliner from Hollywood Studios where we were, and now we're going to Disney Springs to have a look around. We've now come to the ESPN arena where we're going to see a cheer competition for the first time. It's so cool, there's so many American people. It feels like we're like proper with the locals now. So we've made it to a very wet and rainy Magic Kingdom. It's currently 8 o'clock in the morning. Because we're staying at a hotel, we can actually come here early. It doesn't open until 9. We're in at 8 o'clock and the rides start at 8:30 for us. So it's worth staying at a Disney hotel. But we can see the main castle here and it looks amazing. But right now we're going to Tomorrowland to try out Space Mountain. There's already a massive queue. It's Space Mountain, it's Space Mountain. Well, we've just done It's a Small World and that was probably the scariest ride I've ever been on. That was freaky. And that is one of the oldest rides in Disney. Very long as well. I would not want to be trapped on that for 3 days straight. That's torture.
There's always my way.
Oh no. behind the scenes of Space Mountain. Hello! So that was our first day at Magic Kingdom. It was really cool to see some of the really old rides that have been here for the full 50 years of Disney. We went on Space Mountain, which is one of the oldest roller coasters here, and it was actually amazing. And then also to see what they did like 50 years ago, all the technology they used back then, and how things have changed, and all the projection and everything, really cool. And here you can tell everything is the best of the best, but the best by far was the Monsters Inc. show. It's like a comedy show, and then they pick on people from the audience, and it is so funny.
Hey, can we get the Around the World tray?
This is an around the world tray from Coca-Cola. You get 16 different drinks from all around the world, and we're gonna try and work out where they're from. Number 1, Stony Tangawizi from Tanzania. Oh, it's like mint, 2 out of 10. Number 2, Bonaquia from Germany. Weird, a little bit cherry, 3 out of 10. Number 3, quite nice, like a melted slush puppy. Number 4, 4 out of go. Oh, that is quite nice. Number 6, Fanta Kalika. Oh. That was a quick fire round. There all some really funky flavours there. Italy, Peru, China, Thailand. The best one's probably the Peru Cola. We're currently watching the Super Bowl at House of Blues, and it's a 4-hour game. This is way too long for a football match. Welcome to day number 3, where we've come to Epcot with the giant golf ball. And today is a different one because we're doing a stag and hen do today. The boys are starting here and going around this way, and the girls are starting here and going around that way.
And then we meet at the end.
Cheers! 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 Cheers!
2, 1, go!
1, 2,
It's $1. This man's suffering.
Are you a rugby team?
No.
Are you a soccer team?
No.
Are you just trouble in the making?
Yes.
Beautiful, thank you guys.
You gotta believe in me.
We've been told to keep it down. Lower the levels.
Let it go! Let it go! Let it go! Here I stand.
We have up here in our reserve. Such as the Nile hippopotamus, the Nile that's the case. There are also these smaller zebra species that are very small groups, which do allow
Wonder what a Disney wedding is like? Today is your day to find out.
Life under the sea is better than anything we can.
One of our first times at Magic Kingdom at night. It's about 7 o'clock and there's 1 hour until the fireworks. And the castle's all lit up in projection map and it looks insane. But it's so busy here.
3, 2, 1.
Oh. We just managed to catch the new main show of the park with all the fireworks and the projection on the main castle, and it was incredible. They've added projectors along the sides here as well, and it's insane.
All right, you junior space rangers, listen up. Green Squadron will retrieve the power cells.
Are you ready, kid?
Concentrate on
Turn it, turn it.
That would scare anybody away. African bull elephant by looking at it. Does anyone know?
So that's the end of day 6 or 7, whatever it is now. Yesterday was the wedding and I did a full episode on that, so you can check that out in the other video. But apart from that, we've had a lot of fun here today at Magic Kingdom, and tomorrow we're going to Hollywood Studios and EPCOT. Good morning and welcome to day 8, I think it is now. Now if you want to get the most out of these Disney World parks, it's best to get a lightning pass. It's $15 a day and it allows you to book a ride every 2 hours starting from 7 AM. So we've woken up nice and early, booked Tower of Terror, which is one of the big ones we want to see today at Hollywood Studios. And also if you're staying in a Disney resort hotel like we are, you can actually get there at 8 o'clock when they open the gates, and then at 9 o'clock they start letting you on the ride, so it's worth getting up early. 7 o'clock book your first ride, 8 o'clock be there on the bus, 9 o'clock be there for your first ride. Stressful, this Disney thing. People really put a plan together for these theme parks to make sure they get all the rides, because some of the wait times are like 2 hours. This is where you have to stand if you didn't stay at a park. Now that we've made it through the gate nice and early, we've got to try and find a ride that normally has a long queue to beat it. Welcome to the Star Wars ride, where we're about to man the Millennium Falcon, but we've found a little Easter egg that we're going to try and do before the ride starts. But we've got to make sure we're all in the same position, because you need all 6 of you to press the right buttons.
I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy.
I've done mate.
I've done left. Right.
Ready? Yeah. Ah! We did it! We did it!
Whoa! Oh my god! My god! Shoot! 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 That was amazing!
Your gut minus 1.
This lightning lane is so good. Instead of a 2 hour and 5 minute wait, we've just walked straight through. This is Star Wars Rise of the Resistance. One of the main ones. It's the new one.
Is everyone assembled? Transport take off in 20 seconds.
Guys, you are now under the command of the First Order. You will disembark immediately and head to the right.
Oh my god! Oh my god, this is crazy! It's like Charlie in the Chocolate Factory.
You have what I want.
We're with the Resistance. We're here to rescue.
Woo! We've been rescued!
Hurry and don't get caught. Did it work? We're out. Who picked these 2 droids anyway? Detention block.
The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere. For you and the Resistance. You guys really like getting close, don't you? I need eyes on back. Line up. Scamper's parking.
And that's it. That concludes 1 week, 10 days in Florida at Disney World. We visited all the parks. We had an amazing time. We had a great time at the wedding, which you can check out in the other video. We've had our last day at the big golf ball, EPCOT. That's it. So thank you guys very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this whole week condensed into one video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you back in Dubai next time. Boom.
And thanks for sticking with me.